Okay guys, hello to the short and simple Steam tutorial. So, you want some games, right? But you don't want to spend any money. I'll show you how to get the free ones. So, this is gonna be the basic page when you open the Steam, or you're just gonna top left, just click store. You're gonna click here, browse, and free to play. And you're gonna be able to see all these free to play games. If you come up here, it's gonna be like some things they suggest, like newer games and such. If you scroll down, you can literally choose genres, subgenres, features, players, like is it online, not online, and everything. So let's say, I don't know, this game with Delta Force, you're gonna click on it. You're gonna press add to library. Delta Force add to your account. It is now available in your Steam library. Then we're gonna go to library, collection, Delta Force, and it's here. Just install it and then you can play it. And that's how you can play free to play games. I hope this video helped you. See you next one. Bye.